What do you do?
So I reckon that's bottomed. I reckon it's just stopped dead. Because it stops dead. I mean, it goes in so far. I mean, oh yeah, it might be tight, but then it's not going to fucking stop dead, is it? It's going to...
Yeah.
At least, you know...
And maybe, that's maybe why your speedo's not working, because if somebody's drove that all the way home...
They must
and,
have fucked
and they, well, no, they haven't fucked it, just because if it's that tight, it won't spin round, will it?
Yeah.
It's that tight.
Right,
So yeah, no, I mean, it's in and the drive's in, so...
yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's just that I was watching, I was thinking, well, each time the sun is stopped dead. I'm thinking, well...
Yeah?
If it wasn't all the way home, it would at least move slightly. Alright, you might have to have it a bit heavier, but it would still move.
But yeah, it just sort of goes in and
That
then
goes
stops.
dead. So it's got to be, and it's at the same point every time. So that's...
Right, see if I can get the pinch bolt in, I'll put the speedo. Yeah, well, they've maybe just hammered it too far, oh. You get this back one in, Steve, here, that goes in.
Yeah.
I'll be able to spanner that one you might have to spanner from underneath.
Right, okay.
That's it. Yeah, that one you might have to spanner. I'll get that one, but I won't be able to spanner the other one.
Yeah, no problem.
There's a speedo drive going back in for the benefit of the viewers. We put the drive in, we've tapped this back in as far as it'll go, it's greased, and now we've put the sender unit for the speedo back on.
So is that why the speedo didn't work then, because that was in too far?
Well, that's what means, Steve. Right, turn that off if you're talking dog shit. Question how fucking speedo works.
Is that the right size?
Probably not.
I was looking, I'm thinking, that looks too fucking tight to go on that.
Oh, I don't think it is. Hopefully get there.
Yeah, oh, you won't get, I don't think you're going to get that on, isn't it? Halfway.
I'll have to get a stubby one, so that's going to fit that one.
What size is it?
Don't know, to be fair. Something like 11 or a... it's a 7/16 or whatever the equivalent is. Probably maybe like an 11 or something.
Is that the right size?
Probably not.
I was looking, I'm thinking, that looks too fucking tight to go on that.
Oh, I don't think it is. Hopefully get there.
Yeah, oh, you won't get, I don't think you're going to get that on, isn't it? Halfway.
I'll have to get a stubby one, so that's going to fit that one.
What size is it?
Don't know, to be fair. Something like 11 or a... it's a 7/16 or whatever the equivalent is. Probably maybe like an 11 or something. Yeah, well, these bolts greased up, at least will go in and that.
Yeah, true.
So the shit shield and everything's back on now, Steve?
Yeah, yeah. Everything this end's done.
Right, so we'll put this on, then we'll put the air pipes back and get the prop shaft on.
I'll say that, and just leave the air pipes prop.
Right. Yeah, we'll do this, we'll do the air pipes next and then get the prop shaft on.
Yeah.
No, but that's why if you could leave the sender unit on, that'd be the reason why you can just slot this in and put the pinch bolt in, so you ain't got to break with an hammer, and then you don't have to undo these bolts.
Because you can't get a real good swing on like a travel.
That's it, right.
This only gets that fucking.
I'll put a pinch bolt in now. Well, we've got less and less nuts and bolts left.
Oh, that's good.
Could sound a bit more pleased about it.
Huh?
Could sound a bit more pleased. I think we should take it back out again just for the practice.
Yeah, alright, we should do that, yeah. Yeah, just for the screen. Yeah. We could do a proper video then, so you know what I mean, we know exactly what we're doing, go straight through everything.
Yeah. Yeah. It all come apart really easy this time.
Yeah, we're going to be fucking experts.
Well, we are experts, Steve, that's what, you know what I mean?
Fucking speak to yourself. I'm a grease country. Fucking hell, I don't have nothing, mate.
This wouldn't have been able to be done without your valuable help, Steve. Don't put yourself down. Without your help, this job would have been a right pain in the ass. I'd have had to put with Junior helping me.
Yeah. Right.
Right. I need a knife now. I've got spanners. Put spanners down when I can't bloody find them.
Yeah, I had that problem.
Not that it needs a pinch bolt, it's that tight.
Well, I don't know, I want to pressure it back through.
Oh, probably, yeah. Right, right, that's on there all on. That wire's done. I'll tie wrap this speed sensor wire together.
Yeah, I need to do the same with this. I need to tie wrap that head out away somewhere.
Yeah.
I was just going to lay right against the exhaust.
Yeah, I'll get it off.
I'd like to get hold of a company design this and fucking kick him in the box.
Yeah, he wants something doing with him, doesn't he?
Yeah, fucking does, doesn't he? He's fucking a rough end of a pineapple. Fucking wanker.
Yeah, width away. Right, that'll be alright. What, you want this tower up and up out the way, Steve?
Yeah, because it hangs over here, swings over here and goes right against the exhaust.
Yeah, right, I'll get rid of that.
That'd be interesting, wouldn't it?
Yeah, not. What I'll do is I'll tie up that to the EP cable.
Yeah.
And it's out of the way.
Oh, that's good. Well, it swings under here and just swings against the exhaust. I'm thinking that's not good.
No, it swings against that, it's going to be toast, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
It'd just be this smell of fucking burning plastic. Rather motherfucker is having.
Trouble is you've got to be careful because a lot of the wiring on these old vehicles, it's made of this, remember electrician telling me once that a lot of it's made of this stuff and it's not fire rated, it'll just melt.
Yeah.
Well, apparently back in the day it was cheap.
Well,
No.
back in the day they didn't give a shit.
Mm.
But let's face it, it's worked with asbestos.
Oh yeah. Well, it's like I always said with these old vehicles, they never imagined them to still be on the road, did they?
No.
That guy who invented this, if you'd have said to him, oh yeah, it'll still be on the road in 40, 50, 60 years time, they'd probably laughed at me.
You've got to admit though, they're fucking well designed, really.
The thing is, they are a unique bus. There's no, I mean, I know they're not everybody's cup of tea, but they're completely unique because they were designed for the driver, the passengers, and for maintenance. So that they're the only bus that's ever been designed.
Although, from a driver's point of view, the cab's designed for a short arse.
Yeah.
Ain't designed for it pretty big.
Well, yeah, but when these were new, the average height of a geezer was probably about 5 foot, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Not 6 foot odd. So yeah, but yeah, with the power steering and stuff, because obviously all the other half cabs had mandrolic steering and clutches and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Right, just prop shaft to do. If you get that done, Steve, we'll get these air pipes in and then that's that.
Yeah, the prop then.
Yeah, let's get the prop done and then we can go to Tesco's or other supermarkets are available. Can't even read the writing on that, so that's 4. It's 3.
This is 2 and 3.
Oh, that's 2 and 3, right, okay. Right, so one's here. Right, that's number 1. Right, that's 1.
Wow.
Yeah, that's 1.
Is it?
Yeah, because I've got number 4 up here, that's 1.
If that's 1, that's got to go right back there. And it looks like it's fucking 4, which is down here.
Unless you typed it up wrong. Well, the one I've got up here says 4 on it. Unless you've wrote the numbers on it wrong.
Either that or they're around the other way. You've got 4 both ends.
But I can't read the other end. I can't see. It says 4 on one end and I can't.
Yeah, don't forget it might be 4 under here, but it might be fucking 4 might be the other end. Yeah?
Oh right, yeah, yeah. It depends what way you numbered them. Did you number them from this side or the other side?
Right, I numbered both sides.
Right. Well, the pipes will only go one way. Where they go there is right because they're bent to fit at that end, aren't they? So it'll only go one end.
What I mean is though, if you put the wrong end down each side, down this side, it's going to be different, isn't it?
Yeah, but what I'm saying is on your side they will only go in one place because the way they're bent.
No, what I mean is though, yeah, they only go in, but if you've got a pipe single.
Right, but when if you check the other side and see what the problem is this number 4. It says 4 on one end, but you can't see what it says on the other end, so you're going to have to put it wherever you're going to put it and decide wherever you want to put it.
Fuck it, we'll just go for
it. On your end, they will only go in one place. I know what you're saying. If they're in the wrong end at the other end, yeah, you'll end up with the wrong gears.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The pipes are separated, yeah?
Yeah, the pipe's separated.
Yeah, so if, say for instance, the left hand side goes to the right hand side, the right hand side goes to the left hand side, it'll throw different up here, won't it?
Yeah. But that's why you needed to number them so they were right. The first 2 I give you were 2 and 3.
Yeah.
So if you put them on in that order on this side, so the one that says 1 on it, but you says, oh well it can't be, it's that. The one I've just give you, the short one's 4. So if you put them 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, then they'll be right then, won't they?
Yeah.
Because I don't. So did you write the numbers on both ends?
Yeah.
Is that your idea?
Yeah. Yeah, because I think if I written both ends, we know. So yeah, think about it. I thought I should just fucking write one end.
Hang on.
Fuck me now. I'm totally confused now. What's if I know now? They're all over the place.
Right, no, I'm trying to make them so that they'll go in this pipe clip up here. So you're going to have to unfurl them with that in because there's a pipe clip that goes on the top of this box here.